Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into Star Telegram. Star Telegram is an American daily newspaper serving Fort Worth and Tarrant County. It is the nation's oldest continuously operating online newspaper. Star Telegram is available on both Android and iOS. You can log into Star Telegram on your computer as well. Download Star Telegram from your App Store or your Play Store and then tap Open the app. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy by tapping on Accept and Continue. Now to sign into your account. Tap on the Sign In button. As soon as you reach to the Sign In page, enter your email address. Make sure to enter a valid email address that is associated with Star Telegram account. After you type in your email address, type in the password for your account, making sure you're typing the password correct. If you don't remember your password, simply tap on the Forgot Password link provided right below the Sign In button. Follow the instruction and reset to a new password. You can even sign into Star Telegram with your Facebook account, your Twitter account, or your Google account. After entering your email and your password, simply tap on the Sign In button and you'll be signed into Star Telegram. I hope you liked the video. If it did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback on this. Tune back with another episode. Thank you for watching the video till the very